I've been testing out the Vocal Image app recently, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review. We're going to cover all the essentials, from key features to possible limitations. So by the end of this video, you'll know if the Vocal Image app is the right choice for you. So what exactly is the Vocal Image app? Vocal Image is a voice training app designed to help you improve the sound of your voice, whether you're aiming for more confidence, clarity, or even professional-level vocal presence. It uses AI-powered analysis and personalized exercises to guide you step by step in enhancing your vocal skills. One of its standout features is the instant voice analysis. You simply record your voice, and the app gives you immediate feedback on tone, pitch, tempo, and clarity. This helps you understand where you're at and what areas need improvement. Another major plus is the daily training programs. Vocal Image offers personalized lessons and warm-ups tailored to your voice goals, whether that's sounding more persuasive in meetings, improving your public speaking, or even just making your casual conversations sound more engaging. On top of that, they've got community features where you can share your progress and get tips from vocal coaches and other users. This adds a motivational aspect, especially if you're serious about voice training. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the app does offer some free exercises, most advanced features require a subscription, so you'll want to consider if the premium version fits your needs and budget. Also, while AI feedback is helpful, it might not fully replace the insights you'd get from working with a live vocal coach, especially for advanced techniques. Overall, the Vocal Image app is a powerful tool if you're looking to actively work on your voice and communication skills. It's convenient, easy to use, and offers real-time guidance to help you improve consistently. But as always, take your time to explore the features and see if it aligns with your personal goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.